this is Erica with WTI, and I want to tell you about the Gocheer Dehumidifier. This is a really compact dehumidifier that works well in any room in your house. We like to use this in our bedroom because it's very quiet. Just check out the sound of it. So unlike other larger dehumidifiers, it has a nice soft sound, and it actually has 5 different light settings to choose from to kind of give you a cool ambient feel in the evening. I also really like that it has different timer settings so that I can just set it and go and I don't have to worry about it. It also has an automatic shutoff when the reservoir is full, so you can take it out and dump it. This is a really great dehumidifier to use in any room in your house if you need to get rid of extra humidity, and it's very quiet as well. You're not even going to notice that it's there. So if you're looking for a nice compact dehumidifier, then definitely check out this one from Gocheer, and that's my point of view.